comes in at 2.5 level, he will go and peg so that he actually can draw a very specific terrain line of how far the water goes. So he knows. The amazing thing is he doesn't actually draw it, but you guys must be able to draw it. So you draw it. And then he knows where it goes. Then he pegged another round when the water level goes up to 2.8 and 2.9, which is the highest. So at 2.9, he knows where the backwater is. So between the 2.9 and the 2.8 line, roughly, or 2.7 line, that's where the back mangrove is. And the back mangroves are the ones that are not as salt tolerant. But the further up front are the more salt tolerant ones. So by pegging this, and then he draws the flow. So when imagine the water flood, and then the water recedes, right? So when the water recedes, the land and how the water flow, he pegs those also. And based on those, he trench it. So that the next time it allows, when it's really, really dry, on some months, remember he said there are some months where it's flooded for 2 days, for some months it's only flooded for 14 days. They can be really dry, they might die, right? So these trenches will actually
allow the water to flow all the way in.
Yes, following the natural terrain. And then every quarter he will retrench. And so that has to be, you guys need to translate that information into diagrams and all clay models. So go through it will be really cool if you have clay models and you explain this and you say, and I want to replicate this in our site. So each of your site, the focus site, you can't do it for the entire Benoit Bay. But when you zoom into your focus sites, I want all of you to learn hydrology and what's the term that I use? Grading plan. So how you plan to trench, how you plan to change the landform, how you're going to draw the topography line will be based on of this sort of understanding. Get it?